Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. On behalf of Markaz Sahaba, the voice of Ahlul Sunnah wal Jama'ah, we present to you lesson number 3633 of our daily Naseehah and advice. Today, with the grace and mercy of Almighty Allah Azza wa Jalla, we focus on the 28th of RABI-UL-AAKHIR. قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم إذا اشتد الحر, when it gets extremely hot, 40, 45, 50 degrees, فأبردوا بالصلاة, then delay the Zuhur Salat. فإن شدة الحر من فيح جهنم, because all this extreme heat is coming from the heat of Jahannam. So you must remember, it is as though reminding us of the heat in Jahannam. قُلْ نَارُ جَهَنَّمَ أَشَدُّ حَرًّا, the fire of Jahannam, the heat of Jahannam is much, much more intense. There's no comparison at all. And then you see here Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam hadith mentioned by Mughira bin Shuba radiallahu an, kunna nusalli ma'a Rasulillahi sallallahu alaihi wasallam salat al-zuhri. We used to read salat al-zuhr with Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam bil hajira. Hajira means as soon as the time entered we used to read. Then initially, فقال لنا Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam told him, no, delay it a little bit. فقال لنا أبردوا بالصلاة, they delay the Zuhr Salat. فإن شدة الحر من فيه جهنم. So when we were studying Karachi, I remember that we used to read Zuhr Salat there at 2:15, 2:30 and so forth in summer, because extremely hot it was. So practicing on the hadith. And when it's winter, then you read it early, obviously. But today the people, they say, no, right through the year you must read it. Remember that in first time. So that is permissible as long as the time entered. But what is mustahab, what is better? In winter you make ta'ajil, that is, you read it quick. And in summer you make ta'khir, you delay it. So that is obviously now the Imam also and the trustees also must look at the convenience of the Muswaldis and so forth. This is now in Muslim countries, maybe, that where they have lunch break, they have qaylula and all these type of things. But us here is different. So therefore, if a masjid has throughout the year 12:45 Zuhur Salat, so throughout the year, so it's fine. For example, in our areas here, your old Transvaal and Natal, or for example, they say 1 o'clock throughout the year is Zuhur Salat or 1:15, so you'll say it's fine. So here we are discussing the academic discussion, what is mustahab, what is virtuous, what is meritorious. So the Imam should always be such an Imam, he must look for takthirul musallin. When can he get the maximum amount of musaldis and so forth, provided that you don't go into makruh time and so forth, and times that are undesirable. So we also need to use our common sense. We know nowadays common sense is not so common. Allah give us tawfiq. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.